Hello everyone, welcome to the channel. In this video I'm talking about how to download Summertime Saga on PC. So guys, this is actually a game that's available on Android, but now it's also available on PC. So just type in Summertime Saga on your browser, and guys, we're not downloading it for Android. Go into this official page and press on download game. Okay, and now you can either download the stable or preview. As you can see in this table, we have a standard definition and high definition in the preview. Let's, for example, choose a preview. And of course, also firstly, choose the Windows and Linux, and choose which server you want to download from. So let's choose Mega and just press on the download. And that's it, guys. Now your game is downloading and you're welcome. If you enjoyed this video, guys, don't forget to subscribe and like the video. See you soon.